Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make retail or display tags for bracelets. Check out my channel, Sarah Smiles Arts and Crafts, for more fun projects. These are really cute and I just used regular cardstock paper. So this bracelet already has a tag, so we're going to be making a tag for this fella. To start, you're going to need a ruler. I printed out some labels I'm going to be using and some cardstock paper. Oh, and a pencil. So to start out, we're going to cut out a shape 2.5 inches wide and 3.5 inches long. Since I chose a cardstock that had an owl on it, I actually cut the first piece upside down and that wasn't going to work, so we had to redo it. Keep that in mind as a good tip. And a big fat mistake gets a big fat X. Okay, next I'm going to cut out the labels that I made for the front of it that say Sarah Smiles. And I found that if I cut the shape out with a little border around the outside of the black line, that it looked really neat. I attached my label with your standard glue stick. Now we're going to slightly cut off a little bit of the edges at about a 15-degree angle. To get the corners at the bottom, I just snip off a little tad bit, and I usually don't even measure it, but they all come out looking pretty good. So to get the hole, I usually use a standard hole punch, but since I don't know where mine's at, I used one from my office, but it worked out just fine. So after you're all finished with all the details, put your bracelet in before you glue the two pieces together. So for my adhesive, I use glue dots or these Scotch squares. And there you go. I also printed out labels for price tags that I use my glue stick to attach to the back, which is an option. And I thought I would show you a few more patterns and just how quickly these are actually made.